Michael Anthony Fitness here, MAF GigEcon. And today, my friends, I got some sad news. The title's not clickbait. It really did happen to me. I got deactivated from Instacart. I got deactivated. And we'll talk about that in today's video, the first in a minute on this channel. But before we get into that video, y'all know what time it is. Punch that subscribe button, ring that sexy bell, and Hulk smash that like button. Y'all know what time it is. Cue the wave.
Come on, before we fly, let me show you how we get it outside.
So yes, I got deactivated on Instacart, temporarily deactivated. But let's go into why I got deactivated in the first place. So we're over working on the Red Brick House, and on Sunday, I see that they have, if you do 6 batches and you're under 72 for the guarantee, you'll get the 72, the difference, plus any tips you got beyond that. I was like, cool. I saw the first order. This order, which is the one that got me in trouble, they had water and a pregnancy test. Now, I have delivered pregnancy tests before, so that's not an issue. I even delivered tampons before, or pads, not an issue. So didn't think anything of it. Now, it's an $8 order, no tip. And I was thinking to myself, okay, it's a quick one. I'm not going to get anything extra on top of the 72. I was like, okay, cool. So I get to CVS, do the order, cool. I text the customer to let them know that I'm on the way to their residence or their apartment. They wanted a discreet delivery, so I wanted to let the customer know, hey, I'm on my way. So I get to where the customer is, and I text them and say, hey, I'm here. They wanted me to follow the instructions on there, but I do not call any numbers that are on the description or the notes for this particular order. I do that, or I don't do that, because I don't want my account or anybody to get my information, because it's very important. So I tried to call them on there, didn't get nothing. I put the timer on. It expired to 10 minutes. And I start heading to the back to CVS to return the items. And I was going to get in touch with support and let them know what the situation was, because I accidentally swiped it delivered. The button where you confirm the delivery before you swipe it, I accidentally clicked that, so I had to get in touch with support. But by the time I got back to CVS, I got a text from the customer saying to leave it at the office. So I went back, left at the office, took a photo that shows where I left the items, and put it in the text on the app. So I thought everything was good. I get to my third batch, really good order. It was $30. Now, it was further than where I wanted to pick up the delivery, but I was coming back to the area that I was. So I had no issue with that. I get about halfway through that delivery, almost finished shopping that delivery, and I get my phone blowing up from this number. Blowing it up. And then they send this text message. And I'm thinking, not thinking anything of it, oh, this is support. And then I answer the phone, talk to the person, and they said there's an issue because of that particular order with the bottle of water and the pregnancy test, that they didn't get the order. Even though I took a picture of it and told them in the app through the text message feature that this is where I left your delivery by request because you wanted a discreet delivery. So I get on the phone with the person that explained that, oh, your account has been flagged because they did not receive the delivery. And I think I'm talking to somebody from Instacart. Come to find out it was a scammer. So because of that and that order, my account was temporarily deactivated. Now, they did on Instacart send me a email stating that there was some fishy stuff going on with your account. And if I would have saw that email, I could have addressed it right then and there and been good and not have to wait until Wednesday to be able to be doing Instacart again. Now, the good thing about all this is that we were working on the red brick house when this incident happened, so I wasn't going to be able to do Instacart anyway or any other gig apps until we got back. But some red flags I did not see on this order that I shouldn't have recognized. But me thinking that, oh, I can get 72 plus tips, that I didn't see it. 1, no tip. Not every order that has no tip could be a scam, but this one had no tip. And from now on, I'm not taking any orders that have no tip. Because the gig geezer, same thing happened to him. And it's sad. Because he did a large order and had no tip on it. And they were going back and forth through support trying to get a free order and mess up his livelihood because they didn't want to pay for the order. So if there's no tip, I'm not taking it. 2, this was only their second delivery. That's another red flag in my opinion. If you only have 2 deliveries, or this is your second delivery, and you don't tip, I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it because that's a red flag. And the third thing was that they wanted me to call the number that's on the notes. And also, too, what they did was when I got to the residence, when I was talking to them through text message before I went back to the store, that I forgot to add, is they kept demanding that I call that number that's on the notes and asking for my phone number. I didn't give them that information, but because they were able to call me and speak to me, the hackers, that's how my account got hacked. Not thinking that it's not Instacart, could look like Instacart. But I'm back on Instacart. I'm going to try to get these 6 batches so I can try to get the 66 plus tips, which I should be able to get. But it's a shame that people these days are trying to hack people. Now, luckily, I cashed out, I think it was Thursday or Friday. So They weren't able to get any of my earnings before Friday, other than $12 plus what I made up to that point when my account got temporarily deactivated on Sunday. And it's a shame, too, that I had to deal with this situation. But everything's good. The only thing I need to deal with is I need to be issued a new Apple Pay card for Instacart. But other than that, everything's good. You know, my reaction channel just got monetized. So on Saturday around 3 or 4, my buddy DJ, who I might meet up with today, when I go to Costco to see if I can get an order from Costco, it's going to be coming over Saturday, and we're going to be doing the Little Nitro Gummy Bear Challenge to celebrate being monetized on my reaction channel. So check that out Saturday. On my other channel, hopefully today or tomorrow, I'll post the live stream information on there for y'all. And this is MAF GigEcon. And I'll see y'all on next video or live stream, because I'm gone to go get some breakfast. And then I'll get back to doing those deliveries. And I'll see y'all on the next video or live stream. And I'll definitely be seeing y'all on Saturday around 3 or 4 when I do the Little Nitro World's Highest Gummy Bear Challenge on my reaction channel Saturday. And I'll see y'all soon. Peace.